Alright guys, we're here at VETTE Brakes Products. I got the calipers here. I'm gonna go ahead and take them inside one at a time because I only have one hand. Oh, still got some brake fluid leaking out of there. It's probably all in my carpets, but it's alright. Can only carry one at a time now that I got the camera, so go ahead and take them inside. They're gonna rebuild them for me. And let's see how this goes. Yeah, these things are heavier than what you would think, but not too heavy. All right, got one here. You need me to take the actual pads off before we leave them here?
You can.
All right, yeah, I thought so. Let me go get the other one really fast. Looks like C5 platforms there. Forgot to take the brake pads off. Whoops. I don't want to make them do any extra work than it's not necessary for them to do. I'm only paying them for the specified job, so we'll go ahead and take them off once I get in there. Get the other one. That one's done leaking all that fluid out. Hopefully, I don't want to leak it on their building. That's fucked up. All right. Might as well get a quick workout in anytime I can. Alright, that's enough. But yeah, I love coming to little shops like this. You know, you got the guys who really know what they're talking about. Alright. Alright. Let's set this here.
Alright, have a good evening.
Go ahead and take these off.
You can leave them on if you don't need the pads. If you're putting new pads in them, we'll toss them out. But,
yeah.
I mean, so.
I'm pretty sure I'll just take them out just in case.
Okay.
You never know.
Yeah.
Maybe keep it for some type of record. I never know.
Well, you may want them for that backing plate.
Yeah. Get out there we go. These things are so old. This car's been sitting for a while.
Now, do you have any preference in color? When we redo them, we do them in a flat black paint, unless you choose to go colors. I've got powder coating in blue, red, orange, yellow, black, and the difference between the black powder coating, it's a gloss black versus a flat black paint.
Gotcha.
So,
is there any price difference in the other one?
it's $25 for the set to have them powder coated.
Gotcha. But you say you just do a basic in a black?
In a flat black is how they always come. Or I can leave the notes on there to when they get them back down, just to get them to plain steel.
Yeah, they can put it back to still how it was before.
Plain steel?
Yeah. All
right. Okay.
I'll change the color later. I might decide that later. I'll make that decision.
Yeah. But you can always paint them with the caliper paint.
Yeah.
Just making sure that, you know, you get the
Yeah, I just didn't.
seals.
That's a hard decision for me to make on the fly right now.
Yeah, it is. I hear
I
you.
don't know what the finished product of the whole car is gonna look like yet.
Okay. All right. Well, Ralph, you are all set. There's just, I don't have any other of the normal cards, so I just wrote everything down.
Right.
And I will get these taken care of. Generally, it takes us about a week. I've got all the pistons and everything in stock, so there's only a couple sets ahead of you.
All right.
All right?
Cool, cool.
All right.
Appreciate
Thanks
you.
a lot, my man.
All right, have a good one. All right. Take these. Look at all that. That's so cool. Like I said, it looks like a C5 platform from what I can see. Yeah, the diff cover there. Pretty nice. All Corvette parts. All right, man. I'll see you soon. Just like that, they've got the calipers. They're going to fix them on up for me, restore them. And he kind of put me on the spot right there with the whole color, the color option, but I couldn't really, decide. The car is actually yellow, it's the canary yellow, but I didn't know if I wanted to get them painted yellow. I don't know how that's gonna look yet. I don't know if I'm gonna have it, painted a different color or put, black, a black accent with the car. So that's something I have to decide later on down the road. So he kind of put me on the spot, like I said there, but we'll figure out a different color scheme for it later on. But for the most part, we got the parts in there, so stay tuned.